Then a
Oh,
fucking
there's a
pyramid.
moth.
Right?
And a daddy long legs.
Oh, that's
And another with daddy long
Oh
legs.
shit, there's a
Oh,
lot.
there's- oh my
Yo,
God.
chill.
This one.
Ashley, where are we?
At Sagamore Reserve? Fort LaCloche. Yeah.
I think 3 hours is a safe bet. There's one point where we'll hit Lake Huron, and we'll take a longer break there. Or if you take the shortcut, you just sort of tuck in behind it and follow. It's like a series of yeah.
Up, like climb up or like walk
Not
up.
anything like that.
It's not as steep, but still big.
No. It would be very gradual, and it would take out probably like close to 45 minutes.
You okay?
My knees are gonna be so tight. Like,
Oh, shrill.
Got it.
She hesitated.
I look from over there, the whole table's vibrating, like both jigsaws are going.
Do you have 3? Oh wait.
I was saying that if we glue all these pieces together, we can make an end grain tree.
you guys going that way?
It's pretty cool down there.
Guys,
Cool or cold?
Cool. What's down there? Water?
Yeah, let's get a move on there.
That's what I want.
Let me get this on.
We can just put the phone here and put it on.
Probably not the smartest thing you've done today.
Huh? You alright?
Oh, dude, I need that.
This is insane.
I don't even want to know the kind of bugs that are under here.
Huh?
I don't see any of
What
that.
kind of bugs? They're probably like.
There are probably snakes down here. I know, right?
That's sick.
Yo!
I feel like I'm in Egypt in a
Oh,
fucking
there's a
pyramid.
moth
Right?
and a daddy long legs
Oh, that's
and another with daddy long.
Oh shit, there's
Oh,
a lot.
there's- oh my
Yo,
God.
chill,
Look
chill.
at this one.
Yo, where is it? Get me out.
We can get out
chill.
through this way.
Easy, kill it for her.
Easy.
Oh fuck.
Come through here.
Just a daddy long leg.
No, it's not a daddy long leg.
Guys, come through here.
I'm stressing out.
Yes, I think so, but there's a spider that
There's a big ass spider, guys.
Why did you go
Yeah, you don't have a backpack, so you can't.
Wait, someone come here. I'll take a picture from underneath this hole.
That's insane.
This tree is unstable.